Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video is about SUMIF formula. So how to use SUMIF formula? SUMIF helps us to sum all the entries when a certain condition is met. So in the SUMIF formula, a condition is given, and if that condition is true, then the corresponding entries are calculated or summed, and that gives a result. So here I am having a data of date, product and total sales. So these are the dates of 10 days and the sale of per product. Means on 1st June 24 rice was sold and total sale was 1200. 2nd of June wheat 1500, and like that. So let's assume we want the total sale of rice in 10 days. So here we are having a small table which is having product and sale amount. So we have written rice over here, and here we are going to apply the SUMIF formula. So SUMIF tab, and there you get a range, criteria and sum range. So range is the cell range in which your search item is there. Means you have to search for rice, so you have to give a range in which the rice is there. So we are going to select this product table B4 to B13, then giving a comma and giving a criteria. Okay, then giving a comma, and here we are having a sum range. So if the criteria is met, what you want to be summed, so we want the total price. So this is the sum range. So pressing enter will give us 3800. So as we can check, the rice is there 1200 and second rice is here 2600. The 1200 plus 2600 is 3800. Let's check something else. Let's check tea. So here we are having 2800. So 650. So let's use the sum formula. 650 comma, then comes this T, then comes this T. So we are having 3 T entries, 2800. So likewise we can use the SUMIF formula. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.